If you have just 2 hours a day and Wi-Fi, you're ready to make at least $100 per day from Fiverr. The best part? You don't need any skills, because AI will do all the hard work for you. And the services I'm about to show you, even new sellers have 1,000+ sales already. That means demand is insanely high. Service 1. Image to video animation. Let's start with the first service. Converting images into videos. Buyers love to see their still photos come alive with motion. Here's how it works. Take the buyer's image, upload it on wtihout, and write a smooth motion prompt. wtihout automatically converts that image into an animated cinematic video. And if the buyer wants, just add a cinematic text overlay. That's it. Easy money. Service 2. AI logo design. The second service is AI-powered logo design. Even brand new sellers have hit 1,000+ sales just by selling AI logos. Simple method. Get details from the buyer. Generate a strong prompt with ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. Create 10-15 variations, pick the best ones, and deliver. Start with $5 for reviews, then gradually raise your price to $20 or more. Service 3. AI-generated art and mockups. Third service, AI-generated art. Demand explodes during festivals and events like Halloween, Christmas, or Valentine's Day. Just take the buyer's prompt, put it into Leonardo AI, then use Canva to create stunning mockups. Pro tip, deliver multiple mockup variations like framed art, t-shirt prints, or posters. Buyers love options, and you can charge extra. Service 4. AI content writing. Fourth service is AI content writing. Blog writers on Fiverr are charging $50 to $100 for simple articles. Here's the trick. Most people only offer English writing. If you offer blogs in Spanish, French, or German, you'll face less competition and earn more. Use ChatGPT to generate a blog draft, then polish it with Grammarly or Quillbot and deliver. Service 5. AI ebooks. The fifth service is AI ebooks. On Fiverr, you can easily charge $30, $50 for creating a simple kids ebook. The process is simple. Generate a story with ChatGPT, create illustrations using Leonardo AI, and then design the pages in Canva to make a professional PDF. You can target kids' bedtime stories, motivational quote books, or coloring books. These always have high demand. By creating just 1-2 ebooks a day, you can easily earn $50, $100, and with more experience, you can increase your rates even further. Service 6. SEO keyword research. Sixth service is SEO keyword research. Bloggers and YouTubers are constantly looking for trending topics. Use ChatGPT to generate keyword lists, then organize them in Google Sheets or Excel. Charge $5 to $10 per gig. It's an easy win. Service 7. Business naming. The seventh service is business naming, and trust me, this one is the easiest and fastest. The process is super simple. Ask the buyer about their niche and a few details, then use tools like Namelix Generator or ChatGPT to come up with creative and catchy names. For just $5, you can easily deliver 10 to 15 brand name ideas, highly valuable for the client, and super quick for you. Service 8. Product mockups. Eighth service, product mockups. Print-on-demand sellers need these all the time. Just open Canva or Place It, drag and drop the buyer's design onto t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and deliver professional mockups. Super easy, yet high demand. Service 9. AI translations. Ninth service is AI translations. Fiverr buyers often need English to Spanish, French, or Arabic translations. Don't use Google Translate. Use ChatGPT for natural-sounding results. Charge $5 for 200 words fast and profitable. Service 10. AI voiceovers. And finally, the 10th service, AI voiceovers. Use 11 Labs to generate studio-quality voiceovers. Focus on Spanish or Arabic voices. The demand is high and competition is low. Perfect for podcasts, ads, and explainer videos. Bonus services. Extra, time extension. Want even more ideas? Here are some bonus services. AI presentations. Generate slide content with ChatGPT and design in Canva. Charge $15 or more. AI resume writing. Create professional resumes for job seekers. $10, $20 each. AI social media captions. Generate catchy Instagram, TikTok captions and hashtags. $5 quick gigs. Set. These 10 services, plus bonus ideas, are more than enough to get you started on Fiverr. Open your account today, publish your gigs, and turn on your money-making machine. Be consistent. Once you get your first few reviews, the orders will start flowing automatically. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future videos.